Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge browser completely from your computer. So to do this, follow the step-by-step tutorial. So it is absolutely easy method. So for this you will need a software which is iObit uninstaller. So open this software and scroll down here and you can see that this is Microsoft Edge. So how you can delete it? So to delete it, select this browser and click on uninstall. Click on uninstall. It will take some time to do that. So uninstall is started. So it is also deleting the leftovers. So as you can see this, we have successfully uninstalled this program with leftover. So click on OK. So successfully remove Microsoft Edge. Thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.